All right, Dan, where are we walking to?
We're walking to a bridge that goes out to an island.
Old man Papa's making the climb with his staff. Mama, we got Mama here. She's doing it.
It's misting. It's raining on us a little bit.
As we get closer to the bridge, we see a poem here. I discovered beautiful seabirds. I discovered scariness. I discovered my ma'am is scared to cross the bridge.
I'm not scared.
We are gifted with a rainbow here at Carrick-a-Rede. We can see the beginning and the end. We have arrived. The bridge. Champion descends. Waters are rough and treacherous. And he's off. 100 feet above water. Here we go. We're going back across the bridge ahead of the storm. And minutes after we cross the bridge, it's pouring rain. Running back to the car. Ireland! Oh, run it, run it.
Enjoy the feel of the water on your face, is what the sign told us to do.
And are we?
Debatable.